Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I wanted to share some, this is some traveler's notebooks I made with the Kaitlyn Lizardi Bigz die. And this is really a fun little die. Oh, I forgot to put these in. So, I use Maggie Holmes paper from different collections. And the way she shows how to do it is really slick. You put your paper in a laminate sheet and laminate it. Then you run it through the Bigz die and it cuts it perfectly and they don't separate. It's really weird how it works. Then you just glue the two front and back cover together. So I made some little charms. These are both Dollar Tree beads. That comes in kind of like a flower shape with all these different color beads and then some roses in the middle. And then these are little wooden beads that pretty much go with the colors of the plastic ones. And these are the little tassels that Dollar Tree sells. And that's a little pom-pom clip. So, sneezy. Here's my books. I just did, these are from the Kaitlyn Lizardi has a Thinlits die set that makes all this other little stuff. So I made little tabs for the journal cards. Made some little embellishment or cluster cards. And then a little to-do card. And this die piece is actually for the file folder, but I just stuck it on here for the front just to kind of shove more stuff. So these, the tablets I used are from Dollar Tree. They come 3 to a pack, and they have really like, some set has really kids-inspired artwork on it, and the other one has like kind of wild pop art or whatever. So I just took the covers off and recovered them with the Maggie Holmes. So then I just made a little cute little paper clip with some of the Dollar Tree beads. So here's another paper clip with some of the other beads from Dollar Tree. And this is actually a folder that you can make. So it has, like that's just a journal card I put in there. And then another cluster. And I laminated some of the cards from the collection from the paper pad. Here's a couple more. That's the die I got from In Love Art Shop. So I just put that on there and laminated it. So there's the folder. Then there's a dashboard I made. I just kind of put together some journal spots and Maggie Holmes stickers. So then you can put that wherever you want. Here's another book. And here's the last book. And I left the little branding strip holes and stuff because I thought it was kind of cute. And then another pocket in the back. 2 of the books have both pockets and one of them just has one pocket. There's that. And then there's this comes with the Thinlits set too. I believe. No, this comes with the Bigz die. And it's the pin holder. I don't have any pins yet. And then I gotta do this. Put one of these on. Okay, there's that one. And then here's this one. I did them all pretty much the same. Yeah, this one has the pocket in front. I just put the little bow. There's actually another piece for the bow that goes on it, but I didn't put it on. There's that. This one. And that. It got beat up a little bit. I'm going to have to fix that. I'll just put washi tape down there. And then here's this. I love that paper. So cute. And the folder. Again, same kind of stuff. Journal cards. And this guy. Again, that was, I laminated the paper, then cut it out. And it works, like I said, really slick. And the dashboard. Some more stencil or stickers from Maggie Holmes. Some more stickers. And then, I think that's a sticker too, yeah. The journal cards are from Maggie Holmes, but from a long time ago. And there's that one. Then I have this one. These are really fun to make, these books. I love the size and the chunkiness. But of course, I cannot find any of these books at Goofy Dollar Tree anymore. I love that. Another. And there's the little, it's easier and quicker just to make them all the same. You know, you're not reinventing it every time. And here's another cluster. And 2 cards. Another cluster. Oh yeah, this was, the part of this was llama. I think llama drama from last year. From Michaels. Super cute paper. And then the dashboard again. See, now this one, I made them and then laminated them. And look at, I'm going to have to fix that. I'll have to laminate again. I don't know why it didn't stick, so I'll have to fix that. And here's this. But that's the only problem I've had. There's that. And to glue this, like to glue that on, I think I did a video last year. To glue this, I did the Kaitlyn Lizardi way of doing it and just use E6000. Super easy. So there are my books. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.